Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Or if you are new here, welcome, my name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8 years old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivation and lots of home organization. So today, I am going to show you a grocery haul. I've never done this kind of video in my channel before, so if you enjoy this and you want to see more like this, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will make more video like this for you. I want to try it. Never seen this before. I like the pot roast. So
I've still never had it.
There's still a little bit left in the fridge.
I won't eat it reheated.
Are you gonna cross it out?
Yeah.
What's that? Water?
How much water do we have left?
Go to Walmart.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
You see the list?
Yeah. 26 more things.
Oh yeah?
26 things from Walmart.
Okay. We gotta put that cart back over there. You should put it. So here's everything that we got. It's not really a lot. I feel like it's more snacks than real food. I do have a lot of frozen food in my chest freezer and my actual freezer. So this is really what we're missing in our fridge and pantry. Here I got some Greek yogurt, strawberry banana. My son and I eat this. Then I have some shredded hash brown here. We eat this for breakfast. My husband picked up a couple of this Salisbury steaks dinner. He eats this with steamed rice and he liked that. And then I got a couple of these sun chips. I've tried this cheddar before and I like it, but I've never tried these French onion chips. So I wanted to try that one. And then I got Lay's in the back. I got Fat Boy Jr. My son eats this for dessert and this mini size is good for him. I got this toaster strudel. My husband and my son eats this for breakfast if we need a really fast breakfast. And then I got quite a few ice cream. It's summer here in Las Vegas, guys, so it gets over 100 degrees and we are eating a lot of ice cream at this time of the year. I got this mocha cold brew coffee made with almond milk. I really love that. You should try it if you haven't yet. Got this mini swirls ice cream. These are really good. I like that it's double chocolate. And my husband is obsessed with this Choco Taco. It's so weird. It's like a taco ice cream. It's really weird, but he eats one box of that in like a day or in one sit. He could probably finish 2 of those if he want to. Here we got some soups. I know I just said it's summer here in Las Vegas, but we do love soups here in our house, and it doesn't matter what season it is, we eat a lot of soups. I got some naked juice here. I had some in my fridge, but I guess for some reason I didn't drink it fast enough, so it expired. So I got a few more because I like those. I drink those and bring it to work. I got a couple muffin here. My son likes to eat those for snack or breakfast. And then I got this popsicle in the back. Oh my god, I love this popsicle. I don't know why. I mean, I like slushy, so it kind of like tastes like that. I really like it. And then it has this 3 flavor, orange, cherry, and grapes. If you've never tried this before and you wanna buy it, make sure you pay attention to the stick because there's some funny jokes written on it. Then I got flour here, got pancake. We eat a lot of pancake in this house, so we got that. And then I got some popcorn here. I don't know why, but I'm in like popcorn obsession right now. We got Pop-Tarts here, and we got this honey ham. We eat this for lunch or dinner or even snacks. My husband like chocolate bars, specifically Hershey's, so we got those. And then I got these Chips Ahoy cookies. I got these cup noodles. I take this to work or sometimes eat it for like fast lunch or even dinner. I got these granola bars from Nature Valley. My coworker Ashley had me try this and I'm hooked. We pick up more of these breakfast croissant from Sam's. We eat those quite often. We are a busy family. We're always on the go, so that works really great if we don't have time to make breakfast. We also got a couple of this beer battered cod fish fillet. It's delicious. It's a favorite in our house. And then I found these burnt ends. I've never seen this before. And it's a really good fast dinner. So I pick up that. I love the pot roast and the pulled pork, so I want to try this one. We pick up a couple of spaghetti. Here we got cinnamon raisin bread. This is really good for just toast with butter. Then we got plain bread here. We got this Nesquik chocolate milk. We got Gatorade, and of course we got water. And then, did I mention I got that Tabasco bottle? I would never eat my eggs or my scrambled eggs without Tabasco, so I got a big bottle because I eat a lot of Tabasco. Here we got a few Pringles. I take this to work for a quick break, and yeah, we're obsessed with Pringles if you didn't notice. And then we got a couple of this wax paper. We use this for baking. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I like watching grocery haul because I like to see what other people buy and recommend so I can try something new for me and my family. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend. It helps my channel a lot, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. My fridge clean and organization video is coming up after this video comes out because I want to show you how I put this all away. If you want to follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!